Happy New Year, everybody. Larry Gonzalez back with a mortgage rate update for the week. First off, though, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. What are you starting? Are you doing a cleanse? Are you fasting? I will tell you what, I'm starting tomorrow. 75 hard, and there will be a 75-day cleanse involved in that. So I may be a little less in 75 days, at least weight-wise, than I am today. And I'm actually looking forward to that. Looking forward to getting my health back in check. Let's get on with what's going on this week, though. Man, I tell you, there was so much. And you know what? Right out the gate, we could see interest rates come down because President Maduro is in U.S. custody. That is a big deal. And typically when things like that happen, you see interest rates go down and you see stocks go down as well. So we'll see what happens. This one's a little different, but I do expect to see some mortgage rate reaction tomorrow. I do expect to see rates come down as we start the week. And other big news this week, though, there is so much of it. We got on Wednesdays, really when it kicks off, we have ADP private payroll change. So that is the private sector jobs report. We also have JOLTS, job opening labor turnover survey, and we have an ISM manufacturing, and then we also have a 10-year Treasury auction. Thursday, we get initial and continuing jobless claims and consumer credit change. So that's another big day. And then Friday's the mother of all days for the week. It is unemployment rate. We get the BLS jobs report coming out. We get the unemployment. It was at 4.6 last month. Think it'll probably be right around there. There's not, the consensus says it actually might go down to 4.5, but we'll see. We get housing starts, and then also we're looking at it from an inflation standpoint is hourly earnings. So really a lot of news coming out this week, starting with the reaction to President Maduro being captured in U.S. custody. Let's take a look at where rates are as we start the week, the first full week of January 2026. Conventional, we're right around 6.2 to 6.4, and then VA, we're right around 5.87, down a little bit from where we started last week, but a good start and a good real last fourth quarter was a good quarter for mortgage rates. We'll take a quick look at that. The 1-year chart, you can see from October, rates started to come down, and that is really good news. And the expectation, quite frankly, is that rates will continue to go down as we progress through 2026. Not a lot. I don't think we're going to get below 5% on VA. It would be nice, but you know what? Hope is not a course of action, but realistically, we should see some rate pullback and rates come down this week and as we proceed through the month of January. Hey, you know what? Actually, before I sign off, you know what? Why don't you share this with somebody? This is some good news. It's good to know what's going on in the economy, because what affects mortgage rates, things that affect the regular Joes and Janes every week. So go ahead, share this with somebody. I'd love for you to do that. Like, comment, subscribe. If you think I should talk about something else, let's do that. I'm all for changing things up a little bit, a little variety's a spice of life, right? All right, have a great week. Aloha.